posted, but the van is off the road. Yeah, it's failed this MOT. And one of the things was this rear bumper support. You can see it is in a bad way. So I'm going to start, just patch that area there. We've got a lot more to do yet. Just thought I'd quickly talk about the tools that I've been using. Got the Lidl plasma cutter here. It's been really good for getting into small, tight areas. And then this MIG welder I bought very recently, the Blackline MIG 200, and it's seems really good so far. So here you want to just try and cut out as much of the rot as you can. Make sure you cut back to solid metal, otherwise you're just going to have nothing to weld to. This footage is really quite bad, so apologies, but basically you need to make a template out of cardboard and then get it cut out of some new steel. What I've been using is 1.2mm Zintex steel.
2 hours later.
I'd really appreciate it, guys, if you could like and subscribe to my channel. Just trying to get it off the ground at the moment. So yeah, like and subscribe, and back to the content.
It was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
Much later.
So we've made some progress. We've got new sheet welded in. That all needs grinding back. This area here is still really quite rotten, and we're going to have to get all this cut out here.
2,000 years later.
So I think this is probably about it for part one. We've made good progress, but there's still this large area here to sort out, which is going to take some work. Also, all these welds that you need dressing and grinding back. But yeah, we're pretty much getting there.